Swede Hydrochem Systems. Here's some color variations that we have in stock for our trash bin cleaning trailer packages. That's a flame red. This is a bright kind of lime safety green. Show you what else we offer. We stock have a bunch of blue trailers too. These are some stock trailers and some other ones that are going out the door. It seems to be the most popular color. Probably 9 out of 10 of these trailers go out this very cool darker blue. This is what the end result of both those trailers are going to be. 3,500 9-gallon minute hot water machine, winterizing tank, super extreme heavy duty trailer packages. It's all 6-inch by 2-inch box tubing, 11-gauge steel framed, all steel paneled and doors, aluminum hopper. We actually have a supply and recovery tank over the axles. We don't use that rear hopper as a waste tank. It's kind of a joke. Not a joke if you're actually trying to tow one of these with no tongue weight. And you have all the water transferred from the supply tank back to the wastewater recovery or hopper. If you lose your tongue weight, that's when you see those trailers on the road that are whipping side to side, and the truck in front is going straight as an arrow, but you think they're drunk because the trailer can't stay straight. But basically, that was a Platinum Plus. This is a Platinum Plus trailer. The two trailers inside, the green and the red one, are Platinum Plus Series 35/9 dual bin grabber. Here's another blank trailer. This one's available for another build. Another 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine, and another one after that. 15-stage wastewater recovery and filtration systems on here. All stainless steel, 3,500 9-gallon minute, 2,900 watt onboard brushless generator. Master kill switch on these to shut down the system so no one drops a lifter onto a vehicle or car in a parking lot. This last one here, the gold package, which is the 3,500 at 8-gallon a minute. Hot water with a single bin lifter. Right now, this single bin lifter is blowing the doors off of other dual bin lifter systems in the industry. This thing will clean a maintenance can in 7 to 10 seconds. That's a can that has been cleaned on a regular basis, like monthly or quarterly. It can do the worst trash carts out in an average of 30 seconds. That's 10 times faster than the industry standard. So it takes a fraction of the amount of the water. Plus, these things all our models have wastewater recovery, filtration system. They're separate supply and recovery tank, and we keep the hoppers empty, so to give you an idea of what kind of inventory we have. They're part of a new 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility. We also manufacture cleaning detergents. We're heavy into truck wash soap. Huge service team that handles multiple state area. We manufacture automated drive-through truck washes, mobile fleet washing equipment. You'll see some commercial trailers and mobile fleet washing systems also. We include a 200-page marketing and contractor training guidebook. Hands-on training is always free at our facility. We offer discounts on your cleaning solutions when needed. These are chemical-free cleaning on the trash car cleaners. But other companies that do fleet washing or do need degreaser cleaners for dumpster pads and concrete areas and all that, bank drive-throughs, etc. We produce all that, including the proprietary two-step truck washing technology. We run only the industrial grade 4-nozzle stainless steel heads on here. We don't use the inferior flimsy economy heads that fail all the time. We can recycle the wastewater and reuse it. Looking for the best of the best, give us a call. Hands down, nothing is comparable out there in the industry. Here's our contact information at Hydrochem System. Our website is hydrochemsystems.com. Direct number is 616-531-6420. Give us a call. You can also email us at sales@hcsclean.com.